Would you like to know how customers perceive your prices? And would you like to know what you can do about it? If you say yes to any question, you have come to the right course. How is this course structured? This course is designed for you as an introductory course to get your feet wet with psychological pricing. I give you the theory, but I also leave you with inspirations on how to apply them in the real world. We cover 5 psychological pricing effects, the real classics. But the base value neglect effect makes people just adding up percentages. And the numerosity effect makes them taking the larger number. To be frank with you, and I could imagine this will completely shock you, people are bad in math, in general. Before we move on, let's take some time for a quick experiment. Are you excited, at least as much as I am? Then let's get started and move on to the first effect, the anchoring effect.